Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and this is by Hot Wheels from the Retro Racer series, and this is a 2023 casting. Yeah, so March 2023 you can see I bought this for 179 at that time, which was the MRP back then. So you can see a lot of dust here. So I didn't even touch it after I bought it. So I just took it literally. I think this is the second time or a third time I actually took it out of the box within this past 2 years. Okay, here it is. So here is the card art. Looks really nice. So it's a pretty standard paint job for a Porsche. Okay, here is the casting itself. So the casting looks really cute. It looks really good, honestly. And okay, it has headlight detailing here. It has Porsche logo here. It is a bit messed up, but it's still there. The overall paint job, it looks good. So I really like the wiper detailing here, and you can see that wiper fluid points as well. So the interior looks really nice. It is a little bit tinted, but you can still see the interior here. It has rear view mirror on the one side. Nice attention to detail there. And okay, on the rear you can see the tail lights, which is acrylic. I think it is actually merged with the interior, this piece here, the windshield piece here. It has all the detailing here. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. Chassis actually has the exhaust detailing here, which is really nice. I really wish they could have went with different set of rims, but this one actually gives the classy look. So not going to complain. Okay, one more thing I missed out here. You can see, I think this is supposed to be a turn indicator if I'm not wrong. Let me just check it once. Yeah, it is. So these are turn indicators that is actually acrylic, which is really good. So it does have all the detailing to it. So you can see the door handles here, which is bit painted as well, embossed and painted. So this is a really beautiful casting. So let me weight this casting now. Okay, weight is showing 3 grams. Okay, yeah, 27 grams. I was hoping around that range because it's not really heavy. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it does roll really well. It is a bit fast and it rolls really well without any wheel wobble. That is really great. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So without any hesitation, I'm giving 10 out of 10. So it has all the necessary details and it rolls really well. It's absolutely beautiful. Is this supposed to be the fuel filler cap here? I think so, right? Let me see if it has anything in this. Okay, nothing is in the card because it's this side artwork, right? But it looks really beautiful, man. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.